Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. Today I have taken a question from number theory again, which is a very challenging question and it was from Russian Maths Olympiad. The question is solve xsq plus yq over 3 plus xy equals to 2007 where x and y both belongs to positive integers. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing my channel. Let's begin. So I'm rewriting the equation. We'll solve it. That means we'll find x and y when both are positive integers. So I am first simplifying this, the left hand side. So I'll get xs cube plus y cube plus 3 times of xy, and I'm taking, or I'm not skipping any step so that it will be easily understood. Or I'll get xs cube plus y cube plus 3 times of xy equals to multiplying 3 with 2007, I'll get 6021. In the next line, I am taking 1 from the right side or from here to 6021 to left side and making here 6020. Now I'll apply the formula for x's cube plus y cube equals to nothing but your x plus y whole cube minus 3xy in bracket your x plus y and plus 3xy, it was as it is, minus 1 equals to 6020. Next I am taking x plate x plus y as one variable, that is a, and x into y as b. Then the equation reduces to a cube minus 3b multiplies a plus 3b, 3 times of b minus 1 equals to 6020. Or it is a cube minus 3ab plus 3b minus 1 is equal to 6020. Next I will make them pair. One is a cube minus 1 together minus 3ab plus 3b equals to your 6020. Now taking a q minus 1, a factor, that will be a minus 1 into a square plus a plus 1, and here from these two I'll take your 3b common, minus 3b common. I'll take minus 3b common so that I'll get a minus 1 equals to 6020. Or from both the terms we can get 1a minus 1, which can be taken as factor. So here a square plus a plus 1 minus 3b equals to 6020. So we have made into two factors, left hand side Let's make the right hand side as product of two factors or product of two numbers which are co-prime to each other. So it can have many factors. So it can be 1 into 6020. It can be your 2 into 3010. It will not be co-prime, so I am avoiding. Then it will be 4 multiplies 1505. Then your 5 into 1504. This can be your 7 multiplies 860. It can be your 14 into 230. No, that will be not co-prime. Then your 20 into 301. If I have left anything, you can put 35 into 170. No, they are not cofactors, co-primes. Then 43 into 140, so on. Rest will be all, will not be co-prime if I will write in the factor form. Now let us analyze the things with analyzing with number theory or congruence modulo. The equation was xsq plus yq over 3 plus xy equals to 2007. If we'll see the right hand side, 2007 is congruent to your 0 modulo 3. Now see, x and y given to be positive integer. So x's cube plus y cube is a positive integer, and over 3 is also a positive integer. So when it is an integer, that means x's cube plus y cube is divisible by 3. Or I can write x's cube plus y cube is congruent to 0 modulo 3. What is x's cube plus y cube? That is your x plus y multiplies x square minus xy plus y square is congruent to 0 modulo 3. This proves that x plus y is congruent to 0 modulo 3. So what is our a? A is nothing but your x plus y minus 1. So when x plus y is congruent to 0 modulo 3, that means a is congruent to minus 1 modulo 3. Minus 1 modulo 3 means a is your sorry, a is x a minus 1. I should write a minus 1. Then a minus 1 is, which is your x plus y minus 1 is minus 1 modulo 3. That means a minus 1 is congruent to your 2 modulo 3. That means I'll select a minus 1 from this factor. First factor is a minus 1. I'll select in the way that will be, it should be 2 modulo 3. That means when it is divided 3, it should leave remainder 2. So 1 cannot be a minus 1, and it from observation it seems that a square plus a plus 1 minus 3b, certainly it will be bigger than a minus 1. So smaller one, the smaller factor a minus 1, but 1 is not congruent to 2 modulo 3, so this is not the answer. Coming to second one, your 4 is not congruent to 2 modulo 3 because 4 when divides 3 it leaves only 1, so this is cancelled. In the same way 5 is also cancelled because your though 5 is 2 modulo 3, but if we put here, it does not satisfy the equation. Your 5 square, see this 5 square plus a minus 1 is 5, then a is equal to 6. So 6 square plus 6 plus 1 minus 3 times of b, that will 1504, it will be a negative quantity. So we will not this take this one. Now coming to 7, it is not 2 modulo 3, so this is cancelled. Then coming to 20, this one, 20 divided by 3 leaves remainder 2. Yes, it is serving the purpose. So, using number theory or analyzing all the factors, all possible factors, write a minus 1 into a square plus a plus 1 minus 3 times of b equals to your 20 into 301. So a minus 1 equals to 20 or a equals to 21. That means x plus y is equals to 21. Then a is equal to 21. Putting here 21 square is equal to 441 plus 21 plus 1 minus 3 times 3b equals to 301. So this gives us 3b equals to your 1113 to 6 4 minus 301, it will be 2 6 1, or b equals to 162 divided by 3 5 4, b is equal to 5 4. That means x into y is equals to 54. So since in the positive, this all are positive integers, no need of putting into the equation. We can think of x plus y is 21 and xy gives 54. That means x equals to 18 and y is equal to 3, or x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 18. So the solutions are 18 3 3 18. Let us check another point was there, that is 43 and last pair, which are co-prime, and after that you will get all this not co-prime. 43 is not equal to 2 mod 3. That means for when divides 43 we divide with 3, it does not leaves remainder 2. So this is also cancelled. So what is the solution? Solutions are xy equals to 18 3 or 318. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please keep on watching and keep on learning. Thank you.